You have a 40-year-old trailer?
This is like a nearly 50-year-old trailer. Give it a break.
Okay. Do you have a 50-year-old trailer that has a very dirty awning? Or you just have a dirty awning, period? We're gonna show you how to clean it.
Dirty awning, no trailer? I mean, I have a 40-year-old husband that needs a bath.
Do you?
No, we showered today.
Make me a awning cocktail. No?
1 gallon water, one.
Stirred, not shaken?
No, it's shaken for sure.
Shaken?
Stirs their martinis.
Why are we cussing?
Oh yeah. Beep! Beep! Told you about. I look like Shiro compared to you. How do you pump this thing? How does this work? Oh! This is like magic! I've never used one. Woo! Let's do that again.
Okay, so the mixture for our awning cleaning is going to be 1 part or 1 tablespoon Dawn or generic Dawn, 1 tablespoon bleach or generic bleach to 1 gallon of water.
Bleach is generic, by the way.
See how.
You didn't say Clorox. Look at that magic. Wait.
We're gonna see how it works. We'll let my wife start.
Can you do this?
You need a ladder? You need me to get the ladder?
For sure. Do I look like the Green Giant?
You're already doing so good.
I can't. How am I supposed to get that center?
Oh yeah, don't forget to wear old clothes.
Oh crap. That's enough video for now. I mean, how interesting does spraying an awning get?
Now we're gonna wait about 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna go look for our next camping spot. And that's how you buy another brush.
I'm doing it again. I did a great job. I mean, I don't know how hard I'm supposed to scrub this.
How hard you're supposed to?
Hold on, let me get this. Okay, now I'm getting it. I think we need how about you scrub? Oh, zoom in. Come on, get closer. This is clutch, right here. Wax on. Wax off.
That didn't take us quite as long as I thought. It actually turned out pretty good. Probably can't see it that well because it's shaded, of course, but we got most of the moldy, brown, dirty stuff that's been caked on there for, I imagine, 12 years.
If this makes y'all want to go clean your awning, right? That's kind of exciting.
It is kind of exciting.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. And if you have tips to clean your awning, we'd love to hear in the comments.
There's
and
lots of those.
There's lots of tips, but if you have any suggestions that helped you out that might be easier, or a product that might be better that helps somebody else out, just leave it in the comment and hit that notification button so you can always see our upcoming videos. Thanks again. Have safe travels.
We'll do slow-mo, like this, and we're gonna.
Yeah, I'm over it.